implement what you say and what you are in this country. Suppose you are at the helm of affairs of this country. How do you propose to implement?
It is like Hindi has been implemented in the study curriculum of various states, also state governments, as well as the central board. So like what I say is that I am not imposing Hindi as the national language, like all here have to speak in Hindi. If they speak in other language, they will be punished. That's not the way. It is just to get a nation a proper identity at the global level that yes, India, Hindi. That's what the
See, a country is made up of people. It is made up of regions. Land belongs to the people. So the country's identity in terms of land comes from its people. Okay, it is their inalienable right to that. So now in such a circumstances, if Tamil Nadu says I won't, or for that matter Karnataka says, or for that matter any part of the country says, I refuse to accept it, and there has been a problem. So how do you propose to deal with this as a practical aspect of a problem which needs a solution?
Yes, so like just it won't affect them much because they are free to speak, officially communicate in their languages, their local languages. Hindi and English are still the official languages. All the official work between the states or between the center and the state, it all goes either in Hindi or in English. For example, now I would say that if we need to like 43%, around 43% of the people are Hindi speakers. This includes all those which have the second language as Hindi as well as first language. So considering the welfare of these people, if like in some apps might be developed in that language so as it can reach to like it will obviously be understandable to 43% of the people living in that country. So it will give a boost to the economy also.
So my question is to Shaleen, that considering your concern about preserving the culture, then why are southern states not okay with teaching 3 languages? You can teach Kannada, Hindi and Gujarati or English there. If your idea is to preserve your culture, if your idea is not to stand against a particular language, then why are you not okay with having 3 languages, teaching 3 languages in your curriculum?
Teaching 3, I do agree with you, sir. Teaching 3 languages is okay, it's a good idea. But teaching those 3 languages has to be preserved and conserved very well. Like if you teach the example you gave, Hindi, English and the language you said? Kannada. Okay, the 3 languages you said. What if they don't want to learn? What if it's not about that state will impose them or some government official or public will impose it to them. They are not forceful, they shouldn't force them to study whatever language they are comfortable. They need to study that, obviously. The second thing is, obviously right now in Gujarat also, Gujarati has also become a very important language right now, so that everyone should know and can communicate very easily. In the southern area also, communication is also a very important source, obviously. If you go to Kannada, you obviously need to hire a guide who can communicate with you in Hindi and you to them in Kannada, so that they can help you out. Obviously communication becomes and knowledge also.
Okay, but the idea is to preserve your culture, which I clearly mentioned. In southern states, you don't see them defending their language as more as you see them attacking Hindi. There have been cases where in metro Hindi was written and removed it. So the hate against Hindi, how do you identify? How do you like defend that?
Hate against Hindi is their perspective, sir. Like it was obviously way before. It was obviously like the South was fighting way before that we are not going to adopt Hindi as our national language at all. They were obviously correct from their perspective. And the country also knew that 40 or less than 40% of the majority were Hindi speakers. So they are knowing that yes, it is not the majority, so you can't impose it to us. Like first is
so if they are in majority,
they aren't in majority, but if their will goes forward, then yeah, obviously why can't?
So okay, so let's say there are 55% population speaking Hindi, then you are okay with them imposing Hindi?
No, obviously not.
Just Okay, we should.
Like I told about them like if-
Okay, particular state.
yeah,
not okay.
yeah.
Okay, sir, I would like to know.
Thank you.
The next topic we have is, should there be an educational criteria